You know that feeling when you're waiting for a big surprise, but the box just sits there and you have no idea what's inside? That's exactly what's going on right now with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Rumors are swirling, leaks are dropping here and there, and fans are left refreshing Twitter and forums like they're waiting for a package that never gets delivered. But here's the kicker. Even though we don't have every single detail nailed down yet, the pieces that are surfacing paint a pretty exciting picture. And today, I'm breaking it all down for you: prices, packages, specs, leaks, and even the likely launch date. Stick around, because this might just be DJI's smartest move in years. Now, let's get into it. First, up the leaks that started stirring things up came from drone insider Jasper Ellens. He stumbled across a European retailer listing that showed not one, not two, but 3 different packages for the Mini 5 Pro. Here's the lineup. The standard Mini 5 Pro with the RCN3 controller priced at €819. The FlyMore Combo with the same controller for €1,029. And then, the top-tier FlyMore Combo bundled with the DJI RC2 controller at €1,159. And honestly, that's a lot more reasonable than many expected. Considering all the chatter about upgrades like a larger 1-inch camera sensor and advanced obstacle avoidance, people were bracing themselves for a much steeper price hike. But DJI seems to be playing it smart, making this drone powerful enough to future-proof your investment, while keeping the barrier to entry relatively low now. Let's talk about what this actually means for users. If you're already flying the Mini 4 Pro, you might be wondering, is the jump worth it? Well, think of it like upgrading your phone. You don't need the latest model, but that extra performance, that better camera, and that added longevity suddenly make your current device feel a little outdated. The Mini 5 Pro looks like it's going to deliver that same feeling. The rumored 1-inch sensor could dramatically improve low-light performance, sharper image quality, and even better dynamic range. That means more professional-level shots without needing to lug around a heavier drone. And with lower obstacle avoidance, DJI is basically saying, yeah, we know you sometimes push it a little too far. We've got your back. Of course, not everything is crystal clear yet. Flight time, top speed, wind resistance, those juicy performance numbers are still under wraps. And while that's frustrating, it's also part of the hype cycle DJI loves to create. Remember how they teased the Mini 3 Pro back in the day? Same playbook. Keep the community buzzing. Drop hints. Then boom, launch week frenzy. Speaking of launches, here's where things get a little confusing. Jasper Ellens suggests the big reveal could be happening on September 16th, but there's also evidence pointing to retailers being under embargo until September 18th. And here's the fun part. DJI has a history of launching products on Thursdays. Guess what day the 18th falls on? Yep, Thursday. So unless DJI decides to throw us off with a surprise early drop, it's looking pretty likely that September 18th is the big day. Mark your calendars, folks. Oh, and let's not forget, the first unboxing video is already floating around. An Indian YouTuber got their hands on the Mini 5 Pro early. And while the video doesn't reveal much we haven't already pieced together, it does confirm that this drone is very real and very close. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. But don't expect any bombshell revelations. Here's my take. If you're already flying the Mini 4 Pro and you're happy with it, there's no urgent reason to ditch it tomorrow. It's still an incredible drone, especially if you manage to catch a discount. But if you're looking for something that's going to last you years, with the kind of upgrades that keep it relevant for a long time, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the better long-term bet. DJI clearly wants this to be the go-to drone for both casual flyers and serious creators. So the bottom line, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is coming. It's going to be packed with serious tech. And it's not going to empty your wallet the way many of us feared. The real question is, will you upgrade? Or will you ride it out with the Mini 4 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I'd love to hear how you see it. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve with DJI leaks, drone news, and hands-on reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss a single update. And if you're still on the fence about upgrading, check out my other video where I dive into whether the Mini 4 Pro is still worth buying in 2025. You'll see it pop up right here on your screen. Thanks for watching, fly safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.